Good day. In this video, let's talk about CRM systems. I will try to answer questions around CRM. What is CRM? Is it useful for construction company? What are CRM types? What are available brands in the market? How can I select CRM for my company? Let's discuss those questions and more, so keep watching. Of course, CRM is useful for any type of business, but as you know, we are here focused with construction industry. In the CRM, you can manage your team meetings. You can have schedule inside the CRM with full details about the meeting and also details about people who you have to meet. You will get automatic Reminders will be by email or even directly from the app in your mobile. So, what is the types of CRM and which is better for our company? CRM comes in different platforms. So, it may be software or web application or mobile app. Software means it will be installed in your computer, but the database will be in your company server. Usually, this type used in companies or organization with high confidential data. Web application, in that one, you will access to website with username and password. Directly, it will open for you your data and information and you can start work with it. You can open it from any PC or laptop just connected to internet. But this one required internet connection all the time. And by the way, this is the most famous those days. Also, there is a mobile app. It will be an application in your mobile. You can add, edit, delete your data in your app directly. Many of CRMs have both web application and mobile app, and this is the best because it gives you more flexibility. Some other systems like ERP, it's include CRM on it. So sometimes if you have already ERP system in your company, all what you need to activate the module and use CRM, no need to buy a new one. How can I select a CRM? First, it depends on your organization size. You have to know your organization size, okay? It's 50 user plus or 100 user plus, so you need to go for enterprise systems or enterprise CRM. This will be fit and cover a lot of your needs, okay? If you are a small company or medium-sized company, you have to target the CRM made for SMEs, small and medium-sized companies. Also, you can search or try to find by industry, okay? You can find there is a CRM targeted construction or healthcare or manufacturing or sales. So you need to know what is your activity and based on that you can select. Once you select based on your organization size and industry, also take care a lot about the agent who will provide you a service. If it's a big company, they will have an agent for this service. It will provide everything. For one software, maybe you will find many agents. So for the same software, you can get many quotations in the market. You must evaluate the provider. It's very important to evaluate the service provider. First, he must have an experience with same your field, not only knowledge about his software. The provider will prepare for you the CRM, adding the skeleton of the software, prepare for you the reports and details which is you required to manage. So it's very important during select the CRM to select the best available provider. How we can select the best available provider? You have to see the reviews about their work online. You have to talk to the previous customer. He can provide you previous customer and you have to give them a call, ask. We plan to implement a CRM. How you find this company? What is the performance? What is your satisfaction level? Okay, visit their office. Check how many staff they will have. Did he will assign one dedicated person to your project to implement your CRM or no? All of this very important because this is keys to success of implement CRM. Also, training is very important. You must be sure that they will provide you a good training to your staff. Another thing, it's better to hire one guy from your company, even IT or admin, So he can control the CRM in the future by add user, remove user, and he have some controls to not go back to the service provider every day. Okay, if you select your CRM based on the agent, organization, type of business, reviews in the market, maybe you go and make site visits. Once you select the CRM and you start to implement it in your company, you will face some challenges. What is the main challenge you will face? Main challenges. Previous data entry. There is a lot of previous data you want to add it to the system. So please ask the support from the vendor to help you to add the data. Maybe he will have a templates in Excel and he will be able to import it directly to the system. This is very important to ask about before you start. Second, training for your team. Maybe your team will take a lot of time to get the trainings because they are busy about something else. So please find for them enough time to get the training of this CRM. Also, one of the main challenges is to enter the data in a correct way. So maintain data entry. So you must apply a supervisor who will check the data, how it to be entered, because you will have a system and maybe the data added in a wrong way, so the output or reports or dashboard will not present what you want at the end. So please select the best vendor, give time for your team to training, select the CRM which is matched with your requirement, and do a parallel work. For the first months, try to work in parallel. So add it in your way. Maybe you are using Excel or another CRM you are not satisfied, and the new CRM which is you implement, and do the comparison between the outputs and that. Also, you need to check the data quality, how the data added to the CRM, because the output and reports depend on that. So what is available brands and which one is better? Actually, there is so many. Some of them international, like Salesforce, Zoho, SAP CRM, SugarCRM, Hubspot, Dynamic Sales from Microsoft, and there is many more. Depend on your location. So for each country, many softwares, houses, they are create CRM and they try to sell it to the customers. Please be sure this is fit to the construction. This is a very important thing. I hope this video helped you to know more about CRM and how it can help construction companies to increase the performance. If you have experience with CRM, please share it with us in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Waiting to read your comments. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you like it. Help us to spread out. Help your friends to know more about technology in construction. Thanks. See you in next video.